Hi guys! For today's video, we're here in Cebu Safari. But first, we need to get to the entrance. In the first stop, when we get off the tram, the first destination is Collections Garden. And of course, group picture with the whole familia. And on the first stop, you will see the cars. They're so cute and funny at the same time. They're like dressed up as people, and I kinda like it. And here we go. Let's go in the garden. And here in the garden, you can see so many different plants. Ants, cactuses, flowers, and orchids in many different colors too. And over here, you can see many koi fish swimming around in the water. Hi guys! How's the water? The garden was so beautiful, even my grandma loves it. You can see her here when she's videoing every single plant in the garden. And here there are more flowers. There's like buildings here this time instead of the flowers being everywhere. And there's some white fish over here. Mia loved the fish. Mia's my cousin, by the way. And she loved it. She kept looking at the tank with the fish. Okay, so now we're gonna hurry up and look at the last few spots on the garden because we need to hurry up and catch the tiger show. This is such a unique plant. It's something like vines and then something like that. I can't even describe it. It's so unique and different from the other plants. And here you can rest and relax after the journey in the garden. And there's so many orchids here too. You can also picture here because it's an amazing place. Even the view here is amazing. It's so beautiful because you're like with nature. So many plants. It's like you're in a forest. So many flowers, so many blooming orchids. It's just so nice here. And over here is the owner's collection plants. The cost of it is 1.5 million pesos. The most expensive plant there. Over here, we didn't have time to go here, but we did have time to video and picture it. We had to hurry anyway, so... But this place looks amazing. I wish that we could have gone here. Bye guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.